question I got asked most frequently, so I'm going to walk from very start to finish through how I created this illustration. During the week, I usually don't have time to illustrate, but to make sure that I don't lose any ideas that come to me from a conversation or a tweet or whatever it might be, I always keep an unlined notebook near me. This one's from Muji. I love Muji's notebooks. And so here you can see at some point I just wrote "try to please," and that became the basis for this illustration. Side note, because I care about this a lot, this is the best pen. It's a Pilot G207. I have this pen in my purse, in every drawer. It glides across the page. I love it. Every Saturday or Sunday morning, I set aside a couple hours to go through my notebook and start to take any of the ideas I've scribbled down and map them to visuals. So here you can see something that's starting to look a little more like that final illustration. Once I'm at this stage, I will start drawing on the computer. To do that, I use a Wacom tablet. It looks like this, and it comes with a pen. So you draw using the pen on the tablet, and then it shows up on your computer. This tablet, it's old, it's dirty. It's like literally 8 or 9 years old. I just went on Wacom.com and bought the cheapest model. This one was about $80, but it's worked for that long. I love it. If you have an iPad, I know a lot of illustrators use the program Procreate. I think it's fairly inexpensive to get started. So again, if you have an iPad, that might actually be something to check out. So I use Adobe Illustrator to draw. So this is what you're looking at now. And I can come in here and draw a rectangle. And even if it's bad in Adobe Illustrator, it's easy to go in and change things and make it look nice eventually. You'll also see if I zoom out that I have a lot of old illustrations. What's nice about that is that if I wanted to add a circle, I could just really easily do that here, and I wouldn't have to redraw it every single time. Now I just need to add labels. So to do that, I actually turned my handwriting into a font. I used to do hand lettering, where I would write every single letter myself, and my hands hurt all the time and it took forever. So now I can just come in here and be like, thanks for watching, everyone. And bam, there it is. I use this website to turn my handwriting into a font, so you can do that for free here. And basically you just download this PDF, handwrite all the different letters and numbers, re-upload the PDF, and then it'll turn it into a font. It's super easy. And that's it. There's the finished illustration. So I'll export this and then post it to social media.